Now this figure 17-6 from Stallcup's Electrical Design Book, Volume 2, deals with fuses used as an isolation switch in accordance with 230.204B, 490.22, as well as 490.48B. Now, you notice in the note, it speaks of isolation switches. They shall be accessible to qualified persons only, as outlined in 230.204C. The definition of a qualified person can be found in Article 100 for your review if you feel like it becomes necessary. The service conductors, as you see in the illustration, you can find information about those in 230.202. And then the disconnecting switches with fuses, 230.204B and 490.22. And we have the isolation switch protecting the conductors, and it also disconnects the all switch and protects it to a degree in 230.208A, and again as well as 490.21A1C. The disconnecting conductors from the all switch now, the requirements are in 230.204B, 490.21B7, and 490.21E. The feeder overcurrent protection is determined in 240.100 and 240.101. But I would like to point out, remember, circuit breakers and their protective schemes were in 490.21A. When fuses are used as a protective measure, then you look at 490.21B as in boy, and that's exactly what this figure 17-6 is illustrating, using fuses and an isolation switch to protect conductors and disconnect those conductors from the all switch.